Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 Hyundai Santa Fe. Stock number is A7897. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. We're going to take one more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. The Santa Fe does have all-wheel drive, so on those wintry Wisconsin days, you won't be sliding all over the road. There's a 60-40 split on the rear seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. You have audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Santa Fe on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.